Want to learn tech, but you're confused about where to start? Most beginners fail because they learn without a clear roadmap. Let me show you one simple way to get a roadmap for any tech skill.
Start by heading to any of your browser. Then you click on roadmap.sh. Then enter. Then this first one, click on it. So this is the roadmap for any of the tech skill you want to learn. So you can choose any of the tech skill. If I want to learn AWS, I'm going to click on AWS, and it should bring the wood roadmap for it. You can click on here. What is cloud computing? Then this is the resources. The free resources that you can use to learn what is cloud computing. I'm going to click on it. It will take you to where you can learn what is cloud computing. So this is what is cloud computing, so you can do that for any tech skill you want to learn.
This website gives you roadmaps for almost every tech career.
Like, follow and subscribe to Steplax Tech for more tech content.